Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Luvwin. This is their new changing DIY density upgrade wig. Now, as you guys can see, the texture is this beautiful silky straight texture. I'll make sure I have my density and inches information in the description box down below. That way you guys can have all the details. But you guys, this wig is 100% glueless, and yes, she is secure with some HD lace, okay? It's given scalp. But the reason why I titled this video a 3-in-1 wig is because you are actually able to change the density of this wig all by yourself, you guys. They actually send you 4 additional wefts that you can add in or take out whenever you choose. So for example, the wig originally comes in 150% density, and as you guys can see, she is now at 210% density. And I'm gonna show you guys how easy and how quick it was to be able to change the density on this wig, depending on if you're going out or if you're doing something casual for the day. So as always, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing. They send you a bunch of goodies along with the wig in itself. Now here is the unit. Again, I'll have the inches information in the description box down below. But take a look at that lace, you guys. That lace is HD. She does come pre-plucked and pre-cut for you as well. The inside of the wig cap does have combs, the silicone base, and the adjustable strap for a glueless wig install. And here I'm just showing you guys the wefts that come with this unit as well. Remember, I said you could change the density in this wig, so we'll touch on that in just a little bit. So the first thing that I'm going to do is show you guys how the wig comes straight out the box, okay? I didn't wash her. I didn't have to do no plucking, no bleaching, no nothing, okay? She comes ready to go. With this lace, you do have the option to go 100% glueless, so that is our goal for today. I wanted to be able to install this wig without using any product because a lot of us just like to throw our wigs on and take them off whenever we choose. So again, just make sure you are covering the lace with your foundation. That way it matches your skin tone a lot better. Also adjust that adjustable strap and throw the wig on. And before I forget, if you was wondering what that silicone base is, which was like that shiny part around the wig cap, that is just to prevent your wig from slipping and sliding. So it's cohesive with the adjustable strap as well to keep your wig secure, just so you guys know. So after I threw the wig on, I did use my wax stick because I wanted to make sure I had all the hair out of my face, as well as my hot comb as well. You guys know how I like to do. But I was also making sure that the hairline was looking extremely natural and she was 100% secure as well. So if you need to tighten up that adjustable strap or take use of the combs, you can definitely do so. That is what I did, and I ended up not having to use any additional product at all. So this wig can be worn as glueless as well. So after using that wax stick and my hot comb, I was able to see the hairline a lot better, and I was like, okay, yeah, I definitely don't need to use any product to secure this lace down. She was laying flat on her own. So I just went ahead and added some additional foundation just to cover up any areas that may not be matching my skin tone perfectly. Remember, this is an HD lace, so she was definitely given scalp, and I was so happy that I didn't have to use any product to secure her down, being that this is like a full ear-to-ear type of lace. So I decided to go ahead and just stick with the middle part. Whenever it comes to straight silky units, I love me a good middle part bust down. All right, so I'm securing that part with my wax stick and my hot comb. I'm pretty sure you guys can see on camera that the top of the wig was a little bulky. We don't want that. We want her to lay nice and flat because that is what is also going to help your wigs look a lot natural. So this is the technique that I do with all of my wig installs. I just go section by section, wax stick and hot comb, and I really lay the wig as flat as I can. So we are officially finished with this side. Do you guys see the difference? That's exactly why I do this method. There is a huge difference there. So I did the same thing to the other side off camera. Now the middle part was looking just a little bit too tight for me. So in order to make her just a little bit wider, I went in with my tweezers. Now if you're going to do this, just be careful because you don't want to poke any holes in that lace. Remember, you're grabbing the hair, not the lace, okay? So once I got it how I wanted it, then I went in with my lighter foundation and added it to the middle part. The reason why I went in with the lighter foundation is because your scalp is a lot lighter than your skin tone normally, so I was just trying to mimic that. That way you cannot tell that I am wearing a wig whatsoever. And then I also went in with my mascara wand just to tidy up any areas where I may have gotten some makeup on and just have it look a lot more cleaner. Okay, you guys, comment down below and let me know how you think the wig is looking thus far. She's looking pretty natural, so it's time to move forward. Now, the good thing about this hair, you guys, is I had zero shedding, I had zero tangling, I had zero complications. This hair was so soft and it was so silky, and I also did not have to go section by section with straightening it. This is a straight wig, so she better straighten like 1, 2, 3, and she definitely did. So all I had to do was just take my flat iron and just give me a quick little touch up when it comes to straightening the hair. That's literally all I had to do on both sides. I was so satisfied with the texture and the quality of the hair. The hair was giving luxury. She was so pretty to look at, and also she felt very pretty in my hands as well. I really hope you guys could see how silky she was on camera, because in person she was looking gorgeous. And no, I did not add any type of oil or anything. I did not add anything to the hair whatsoever. This is the natural quality of the hair in itself. Okay, you guys, so normally we would end the tutorial here, but I got even more to show you. So remember, this was a straight out the box wig install. I didn't change anything to the unit. We installed her nice and glueless. She is 150% density, but the difference between this wig and other wigs that I have promoted from Luvwin Hair is that they actually created a wig where you can add in additional wefts and make the hair even fuller. So they send you 4 wefts along with the wig in itself, and each weft will add an additional 15% density. So in order to prepare, I went ahead and I straightened the wefts first, and then I double checked my brochure. The brochure gives you a ton of instructions as to how to actually insert the wefts inside of the wig. Now there is 4 wefts that you can add in, which means that there are 4 different sections inside of the wigs where you can actually hook the wefts in. So step number 1 is to find the gold bands. I love the fact that they did this because this just makes life a whole lot easier with this type of product. So you're going to find the gold band that is inside of the unit. Remember, there is 4 different sections. Now within each section you will see that there are these loops, and the wefts actually have hooks on them, which I gave you a close-up before, but I'll give you another close-up. And you literally just take the hook on the wefts and you just slide it right into that hoop, and yes, she is secure. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of me actually doing that. You guys, when I mean it's like a 1, 2, 3 type of thing, like you just hook it in there and she is good to go, and the wefts fit perfectly. And also what I wanted to mention to you guys is that this wig is layered so that it doesn't look too thin when it gets towards the bottom. So the more wefts that you add in, you can definitely see how well they layered each bundle. Is beautiful. And just like that, you guys, we added an additional track. It is that simple. I'm gonna give you guys another close-up and some more footage of exactly how I did this process. Now, if you're worried about that gold band like sticking you and bothering you, or maybe sticking out, you can actually take that gold band out, but I wouldn't recommend taking it out until you are actually used to where to find the wefts and stuff like that. It's pretty simple. The gold band is just there to help guide you, all right? But I'm going to give you guys some more close-ups as to how easy this process was. Now remember, each additional weft adds in another 15% density, so I will be giving you guys close-ups of how the hair looks with just 180% density and 210% density. So just remember that each additional weft will come in these packs. They do keep them separate, that way the hooks don't get tangled together or anything like that. But this is the hair at 180% density, so this is when I added in an additional 2 tracks of hair, 2 wefts of hair inside of the wig unit in itself. As you guys can see, it's kind of giving a little bit more fullness this. This is more so for like everyday wear, and I think that this wig is absolutely wonderful if you want to spice it up a little bit, like if you're going out or if you're just going somewhere casual, or even if you want to curl the unit and you want to add in a little bit more hair. The 210% density, which you guys are seeing right now, is with all 4 wefts added into the hair in itself. She was giving full, and I was still able to keep her 100% glueless, and as you guys can see, this hair is super flowy and it's just super silky, and I hope you noticed the layers as well. She was not too thin once she got towards the end. But comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this wig unit. Luvwin Hair is like the first brand that I've seen do something like this. You're literally getting like 3 different wigs for just one price, and you have the luxury and the ability to change the density within your wig within just 1 minute. It's super easy to do, very beginner friendly, and I think that this was a great idea for them to do as well. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there, and I will see you guys next time.